Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to save your website as a PDF on Squarespace step by step. This works in any browser on Windows or Mac. Navigate to the specific page on your Squarespace site that you want to save. Type the URL into the address bar at the top and wait for the page to load completely. If you want to save multiple pages, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Scroll through the entire page to make sure all the content is loaded before you move on. Once the page is fully loaded, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print dialog. Nearly all browsers will open a print preview window showing your web page. In the print dialog that appears, look for the destination drop-down menu. It's usually near the top of the window. Click on it and select Save as PDF from the list. The destination should change from a physical printer name to Save as PDF. If you're using Safari on Mac, you'll see a small PDF button in the bottom left corner instead. Click that button to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Save as PDF. Before you save, you can adjust a few settings to make sure your PDF looks right. In the Print Settings panel, usually on the right side or center of the dialog, you can change the page orientation, adjust margins, and tweak the scale. In Chrome or Edge, expand More Settings and check the box next to Background Graphics. In Firefox, you'll find background options directly in the Print Settings panel. Check the live preview as you change these settings so you can see how your PDF will look. Once you've made your adjustments, click the Save button at the bottom of the print window. A Save As dialog will pop up where you can choose where to save the file. Navigate to the folder you want and rename the file if you need to. The default name is usually just the page title. Once you've chosen your location and name, click Save. The PDF will be created and saved to that location. Open the PDF and verify it looks correct. If something's off, go back and adjust the print settings and try again. Keep in mind that audio and video files on your site won't be included in the PDF, and any password-protected pages won't export either. Some Squarespace features like cover pages or gallery pages might not export perfectly, so always check the result before relying on it. That's how you save your Squarespace website as a PDF.